Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain the concept of pointers. So we'll start with the definition of pointer, then we'll see how to declare a pointers in C programming language and how to initialize and representation of pointers in C. So the definition of a pointer is, pointer is a special type of variable which can hold address of another variable. So another variable is nothing but it may be of an ordinary variable. So what we discussed as on now, or else it may be of another pointer variable. So it can hold address. Okay, because of that reason the pointer variable is said to be a special type of variable. So now coming to a declaration of pointers. So before we going to use any concept in C programming language, we have to declare first. So for that we have to use the syntax data type asterisk. So this symbol is said to be asterisk. And then here we have to provide the pointer variable name. So for example, the data type it will be of a valley data type. So we know different data types are available in C programming language like character, integer, float and double. Suppose if I can use any of these data types in this place, so if I declared int asterisk and ptr, so this ptr is nothing but my pointer variable name. So ptr is a pointer variable name. So it indicates that now this pointer is of type integer. Okay. So if I declared float asterisk p, so now here p is a pointer because the asterisk symbol is used before this variable name p. So it makes your p variable as a pointer variable and it is of type floating point. Okay, so in this way you can declare like a character char asterisk c and then double asterisk d, something like this. So this is how we can declare a pointer variable in C programming language. So when we declare a pointer variable, so what your compiler will do? So as definition will say the pointer variable is a special type of variable so which can hold the address of another variable. So we know when we declare a variables in C programming language, the compiler is going to recognize the type of data we are going to save in that particular variable and then it will reserve the memory specified by your data type. See for example here I am given int star ptr. So now this pointer variable is required 2 bytes of memory, right? So now it is a pointer variable. So it takes 2 bytes of memory because I specified here it is of type integer. So as definition, your pointer variable can hold address of another variable. So for this, you have to declare an ordinary variable before this. See for example, if I take int num. So num is my ordinary variable. So now I am trying to take the address of this num in a pointer variable. So now your compiler will reserve another 2 bytes of memory for your variable num, and remember num is an ordinary variable and ptr is a pointer variable. So num can hold the value whereas your pointer variable can hold the address, right? So what address it can hold? It can hold the address of another variable. So now see, this is a representation. See here, I will provide you like we have an ordinary variable quantity and now the compiler will reserve 2 bytes of memory and the starting address of this memory is 2050. So now ptr is a variable of same type integer and it can hold the address of this quantity. So what is the address? 2050. So that is held by your pointer variable. So this is a representation of pointer variable. So now we'll see the initialization. So after declaring the pointer variable, we have to initialize to use this pointer variable in C programming language. So initialization in C is nothing but we have to assign some value. So what type of value we are going to assign to a pointer variable? That value it will be address of another variable. So now this is a syntax we have to provide the pointer variable name is equals to, here we have to use ampersand. Okay, so we have to use ampersand and then provide ordinary variable here. See example, int quantity, and then here your pointer variable is of type integer and the pointer variable name is ptr. So now it is assigned, like you can provide the pointer variable name is equals to ampersand the ordinary variable name. So in this way we can assign value to pointer variable in C program.